Yeah, welcome, madam. You have been in the class, my therapy treatment for the last 3 months or 4 months. I'm very glad to know that you are improved in the thyroid level, and mainly, whereas I think because of the practices, you have submitted me 2 reports, which is evidencing that the TS4 level of the thyroid, which you have been suffering, has reduced. Hypothyroid. This is the reading which shows. Uh, Initially, you are taken on 25th of December 2000. The T3 level of 121 observed level of 121.6, whereas 84.6 to 201 is the T3 level, which is normal. Okay. At the same time, this was a little higher, 5.75 TSH level, which is the most important vital matter for thyroid. 5.75. The normal is 0.54 to 5.3. It should be in that range, but it has gone beyond that. Okay. After coming to me, after having the practices, the level has improved on 22nd July 2021. After 3 months of practice, the T3 level has been remaining same in the normal range, 84.6 to 201 is the normal range. Your reading is 107.2. T4 is also normal, 5.12. And initially TSH, which was initially at 5.75, has been reduced to 4.76, which is below the range. I'm very happy to note 0.54 to 5.3 is the normal range, and 4.76 is the this month. The reading here shows TSH within the range. Is isolated low T level often seen in elderly and associated non-thyroid illness. In elderly, the drop in T3 level can be used on. So you've been retired from the bank as a staff. The stress level has reduced, and having sitting at home, the obesity has come, and also perhaps this can be the reason. But I'm very happy to note that the active practice of yoga, you have been able to do this. Okay. Would you please elaborate what are your highlights? What do you feel about the same?
Yeah, I'm Shraddha Save. As Mr. Menon told that I'm suffering from hypothyroidism from 2013. And because due to that, I had a hormonal imbalance, I had obesity and metabolism problem. So as I was introduced to Mr. Menon for Menon yoga classes for their therapy, they have Menon, oh, sorry, Bharat.
It is a therapy class. It is a therapy class. Omkar Yoga therapy class.
From March 2021, I have started coming for these classes, and really, as Mr. Menon told, my rate, this reading of my thyroidism, it is reduced to such a level that now my metabolism level, my activity level is really increased. So the yogas which he introduced to me are, should I tell the yoga which one I was doing?
Yeah, you can tell.
Yogic practice. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah. After doing some yogic practice, particularly, I will show you now
Yeah.
that I was the Jiva Bandh and Siha Mudra and Brahma Mudra.
Please show. Please show.
I will, yeah,
What in 1 minute I'll highlight it. Mr. Manjrekar, Mr. Manjrekar is one of my associate. He's a senior yoga teacher from Yoga Niketan, where we both have studied. Okay. We'll highlight, and she will show some practices which has improved on her. Okay. First, we will show Jiva Bandha, Siya Mudra, Brahma Mudra, which is mainly affecting the throat. Please show. First is Jiva Bandha. It is touching the tongue, upper palate of the tongue to the hard palate. Siya Mudra with the compression. Siya Mudra, compress your face. Release. Show your fingers. Show your fingers. Yeah. Keep it below. Protrude your tongue outside. Again come up. Again second round. Jiva Bandha. Again Siya Mudra. Again Jiva Bandha. You have to see at the tip of the nose and at Ajna Chakra in between the eyebrows. Siya Mudra. Release. Touch your tongue, chin to the chest. Protrude your tongue outside. See at the tip of the nose. Keep your hands in Padma Mudra. We'll go for Brahma Mudra. How do you keep? Will you show please to the public at large? Please show your hand. Yeah, yeah. Please sit behind. Please sit a little behind. थोड़ा पार्टी बसा. थोड़ा पड़ता हाथ दिसे. Mobile adjust करा. Yes, yes. Slowly, with the combination of inhalation and exhalation, move your head. Inhaling, go back. Open your eyes. See at the back. Close your eyes. Do the normal breathing. Open your eyes. Inhale and come back. After you come to the middle, exhale and go back to the left side. Close your eyes. Do the normal breathing. Come back. Take up your head. Remain for a longer time. Inhale and remain for a longer time. Exhale out. Do the normal breathing. Feel the comfort level at the throat. It should be followed with the normal inhalation and exhalation. As you are not having BP, you can bend your head slowly, inhale and exhale and come down. Inhale, exhale and come down. Touch your chin. This completes one round of this much. Yes. What are the other asanas which has helped you?
Yeah.
You can show Bhujangasana. You can
Sahaj
show
Matsyasan,
Bhujangasana.
Bhujangasana. Yeah. Bhujangasana, Sahaj
Please remove your
Matsyasan.
chair. Please remove your chair. Please remove your chair.
Should I show you the Bhujangasana?
Yeah. Please show. When the chair remove kara again. Lie on your abdomen. Lie on your abdomen. Yeah. Okay, will do. Yeah, will do. You have to adjust your mobile, please. You have to adjust your mobile. फक्त खालचा भाग दिसतोय. Yeah. आणखीन. Yeah. For this Bhujangasana, first lie down. Lie down. Chin touching the ground. Hands near the chest. Chest च्या जवळ. Fingers pointing upstairs and thumb pointing toward the nipple. Slowly inhale karte without giving a force to the hand. Raise your hand. Raise your head to the maximum. Yes, without being force to the hand. Close your eyes. Do the normal breathing. Slowly come down. This gives a relaxation at not only at the cervical part at the back. This gives a relaxation at the throat level also, and which is coupled with the inhalation and exhalation. This is a Bhujangasana, is a cobra posture also. This is known as cobra posture. Then we'll go for the Saral Matsyasana. Saral Matsyasana, you will lie down at the back. So mobile आणखीन adjust करा toward the head side, डोक्याच्या side ला. आता हो. For that, you relax yourself first. Now bring your hands together. Bring your hands together. हाथ नहीं हाथ खाली खाली हाथ खाली डोकं पाय पण जवळ आणा. Bring your neck together. Now drag your head so that you touch your forehead to the ground. Drag your head. हाथ खाली हाथ सरळ ठेवा. हाथ सरळ ठेवा. Close your eyes. Do the normal breathing. Please note, a thyroid person cannot do like this. Just because the readings are normal, she can do it. She can do it. Otherwise, it will have a stress on the neck, whereby will not be able to do. This indicates that this is at the normal level. Slowly come out of the posture. Slowly relax. And the last posture which has helped in the asanas are come down, khaliya. Stand on your yoga mat. Keep your chair aside. Chair side lateva. This is not a Hanumanta asana which you have been doing it, but see if it is convenient to you, you can do it. Otherwise, you need not do it. You don't have backache at present, don't have backache, don't have any problem. Okay. For that, you will be standing on the triangular position. Triangular, yeah. Then move your right leg. Move your right leg towards this and have a seat. Right, and पुढचा पाय. Right leg आणि बसा. Have a seat. बसून घ्या आणि दोन्ही हात नमस्कार करा आणि वरती बघा आणि पाठी धावा. Yes, that's good. That's good. Bas. Okay, fine, excellent. Manjrekar, how do you find the posture? You have been
good one.
You have been training her. Ata basa. How do you find Manjrekar?
Good one.
Yeah. So Manjrekar was there since he started this class, therapy individual training. So he has seen the success on it. Okay. So we find a lot of improvement on her. That is the thing.
And apart from this,
what are the basic principles of the asanas? Acha, one more thing is there, very important is pranayama has been doing every day. You just show Anulom Vilom. What is the Nadi Shuddhi pranayama? It is not a pranayama, it is a cleansing process. It's a cleansing process of the respiratory tract. Left nostril is the Chandra Nadi. Right nostril is the Surya Nadi. Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna Nadi flows in between. As you inhale, the chest should come up. As you exhale, do 3 rounds. Yeah. I'm very happy to know about improvement in thyroid. But one thing said and done. You should always be in touch with the doctor. Though you may be progressing in yoga, you may always be in touch with the doctor. And the medicine has to be continued as per the doctor's advice. Never stop the medicine because you are in the range. Okay. Other medicines which you are taking for calcium tablet, B complex, should be continued as per the doctor's advice. Okay. You should check your health conditions after every 6 months and see the readings are in the proper manner. That will give you an ideal position of the healthy. Stay happily where you are. That's what yoga. Chitta vritti nirodha iti yoga. Restraint modification of mind is yoga. That is yoga. We are not doing exercise. This Omkar therapy class is mainly for treating the diseased person. व्याधि से बाहर निकालना है हमारा motto है. That is the vision of the therapy class, Omkar Yoga Therapy. So that's what we want to progress. I request you to visit the website and give the suitable rating on it, and I'm much happy. Okay, thank you very much for me.
Yeah, I'm
Manjaka,
really,
Manjaka, please share your experience with her.
I
Manjaka,
would like,
I,
I would like to speak two words. I'm
yeah,
really
yeah,
fortunate. I'm really fortunate to have Mr. Menon as my yoga teacher and Mr. Sharad Manjrekar. He often he has given me some medical advices, how to, what to do and all. So because of them, I'm so happy that my levels are down now, and I'm really on the verge of process. And as they have promised me within the 6 months, I am sure that my all everything will be okay. My obesity and all, really it will work on my flexibility and obesity. Thank you very
I
much.
have heard one thing that you had gone to Alibag also recently and spent there few days. Then again coming back, again you're back to Pune. See, in this pandemic period, I really appreciate being a senior citizen, having such problems also, little problems you have visited, that creates self-confidence in you. Okay, Manjrekar, I over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Manjrekar, over to you. Yeah, please speak.
The phenomenal improvement in Mrs. Savage Zahid shows that yoga really works. And it works at RD level. So the valley disappears or goes down.
What is your opinion about a medical opinion? We've been the medical line side of Cipla pharmaceutical for many years. What is the medical opinion? Whether this thyroid will go away from the body or it will remain till the death? What is your opinion?
I mean, if she continues yoga, medicine will be secondary and primary role will be played by yoga.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I appreciate you have been helping me in the yogic in this therapy field, and I'm very glad that and been having a medical support also is always helped me have a secondary opinion and how yoga dominates, how yoga therapy dominates the medical therapy. That itself is a typical example. I wish you to visit the website and give a suitable rating to it. Okay,
Okay.
thank you for this.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Thank you.